Madam, just one thing. Actually, this one I installed. Okay. After 5 years, this is damaged.
It on and off, and it will, you can fix the temperature and timer also.
Timer also.
Yeah, it will be acting through app. Newtek app will be there. You can change temperature, timer. From factory setup, for the time we will fix 55-degree temperature. You can raise the temperature also, or you can decrease the temperature also.
So it is coming that weather is cool.
Yes.
When time also it will coming that hot water.
Yeah. It will get on and off. If the temperature is coming down, no, below 55, automatically it will get down. It can use in the winter and rainy season. After that, you can close it.
Heater water is there inside.
Yeah, it will be inbuilt.
Right now, this is digital meter, madam.
Yeah.
So we are operating from my mobile.
Yeah, app will be there.
Distance with app right now. That's
Bluetooth
better.
and Wi-Fi you can connect.
Connect, na sir.
You can sit down in that.
One thing, madam, I can ask it to you. Now, 10 degree also weather.
In rainy season.
Rainy season.
Yes.
So how can
Heavy rain
it
is there.
operate?
No? Heavy rain is there. No. At that time also it will work
How?
through heater coil.
Heater coil. Achha, heater coil.
Yeah.
So we
It will get,
will operate to
Up to 55 degree it will be.
increase.
Yes.
Increase.
Then it will cut off.
From half
Yes, through app.
to operate.
Yeah.
Okay. So it will come to heat water.
At that time you can decrease the temperature also, or you can increase the temperature also. You can fix the timer also.
Timer also.
Usually for this tank we will be fixed 6 to 10 morning.
How much capacity, madam, this one?
220.
220 liters.
Yes.
Na? So
220 tank capacity, including tubes 250.
250.
Yeah.
250.
And in this model we are having two capacities.
Two capacity.
170 tank capacity, including tube 190. And another one is 220, including tubes 250. Two models are there
Okay.
in this.
So
This is also 15 years.
Madam, one thing. Here come to the water na, inside na, goes to outside na. So
Inlet and outlet.
Inlet and outlet. So how can take timing heat water heat?
This
This one no. How much take is from heat?
Okay.
The
Full
producer
tank.
Yeah,
No.
full tank.
You come here, sir. I will explain. You can control temperature and time.
Okay.
Yeah, in app you can control.
Okay. App is
Heat coil. And this is the new invention, sir. We are having small air ventices. No one has introduced this. No one has the rights to introduce this. Okay. Because if the overhead tank is 6 feet height, you can give air vent up to 6 feet.
6 feet.
If it is more than 6 feet, no, you can use this one. No need of that small assistant tank is not required. You can use this. Example, for example, it is what is the price? The distributed price is there, no? They are approximately extra for 1,000 customers for this.
This one.
Yeah, small area.
So